Hello students, once again welcome you to GKS maths classes. Today we are going to continue with differentiation. This is the part 5 of the video on differentiation. Today what I am going to do is I am going to do a few more questions in logarithmic differentiation. Already we have done few questions in logarithmic differentiation in part 4. Today we are going to do more problems in logarithmic differentiation. With that we finish logarithmic differentiation. Okay. Now let's straight away get inside the problem. The introduction to logarithmic differentiation is given in part 4, which I will put in the description. You can always refer to it. Okay. Now this is the question. If you have x power y equal to y power x, how do you find dy by dx? Now clearly, if you notice, you have a variable raised to the power of variable. So you have to take log on both sides. So I will take log on both sides. So when you take log on both sides, I get y log x equal to x log y. Y log x is equal to x log y. Log a power n is n log a. Okay. Now I'm going to differentiate. I'm going to use product rules. This is u and this is v. What is that? U into, what is the differentiation of log x? 1 by x plus log x into, what is differentiation of y? dy by dx equal to, here again product rule, u v. U is x, u is x. Differentiation of log y, chain rule. So it will be 1 by y dy by dx plus v. V is log y. And you know differentiation of x is 1. So I am using product rule. Now I will bring all dy by dx together. So dy by dx is common. So I will get log x minus x by y equal to log y. I take this term to the other side. What is that? Minus y by x. Now take LCM. What is the LCM? The LCM is y log x minus x by y equal to x log y minus y by x. So from this you can easily find dy by dx. What is dy by dx? Dy by dx will be y by x cross multiplying y by x into x log y minus y divided by, bring this to the other side, that is y log x minus x. So I'm just cross multiplying. Okay. So I have found dy by dx. It's one of the important questions. They generally ask this question: x power y equal to y power x. Find dy by dx. Let's do the next one. It is exactly similar to the previous problem. Instead of x you have cos x, instead of y you have sin y. It's the same procedure, so let's try this. Take log on both sides. What will I get? I get y log cos x equal to x log sin y. So that's done. Now I'm going to differentiate. How do I differentiate? I'm going to use product rule. This is u and this entire term is v. So what is product rule? U into, what is differentiation of log x? Differentiation of log x will be, log cos x will be 1 by cos x. I'm using chain rule. After differentiating log, I have to differentiate cos. Differentiation of cos will be minus sin x plus v. What is v? Log cos x. And I have to differentiate u. Differentiation of y will be dy by dx equal to, now how do I differentiate this? Yet again have to use product rule. So that is x into, now I'm going to use chain rule. What is differentiation of log sin y? Log sin y will be 1 by sin y, and the differentiation of sin y will be cos y, and then differentiation of y will be dy by dx. So here you have to be very careful. First you differentiate log, then you differentiate sin, then you differentiate y. Chain rule. Okay, plus v is log sine y, and differentiation of x will be 1. So that's done. Now what do? You can combine this. Dy by dx is common. So what do I get inside? You get log of cos x minus, because I'm bringing it this side, x into, you can see clearly cos y by sin y will be cot y equal to log of sin y minus, I'm taking this term to the other side. Since it is minus, we take it, that's it, becomes plus y into sin by cos will be tan x. So what is dy by dx? So dy by dx will be log of sin y plus y tan x divided by log of cos x minus x cot y. Straight, very simple question. It is exactly like the previous problem. It is not at all difficult. Let's go to this next sum. This is a proving sum. This is also a very important sum. You have x power y equal to e to the power of x minus y, and I need to prove this. Since it is variable raised to the power of variable, I will take log on both sides. If you take log on both sides, what do you get? I get y log y log x equal to, now this will be x minus y log e, but we know log e base e is 1. Log e base e is 1. So this will become y log x equal to x minus y. Okay, you can differentiate, but if you do the following step, it becomes much easier. Take y to the other side. You get y plus y log x equal to x, correct? Now what is common in this? Here you can see clearly y is common. So I get 1 plus log x equal to x. Therefore what is y equal to? X by 1 plus log x. So I have got y in terms of x. So I need to just differentiate. So what is dy by dx? Dy by dx, I'm going to use quotient rule. So what is quotient rule? Denominator I should square. Denominator square followed by what? Denominator into, what is differentiation of x? Differentiation of x will be 1 minus numerator is x. Differentiation of 1 plus log x. Differentiation of 1 is 0. Log x will be 1 by x. So what do I get? I get 1 plus log x. Now here x and x gets cancelled. You get minus 1 divided by 1 plus log x the whole square. So clearly plus 1 and minus 1 cancels, and I got the answer. Very simple, isn't it? Log x the whole square. This is your dy by dx. It's a straightforward, very important question. Also just come in the board exam. Now this is exactly like the previous sum. Instead of having x power y, you are having y power x. So let's see what to do. Take log on both sides. So what do you get? X log y equal to y minus x log e. But what is log e? Log e is 1. You know it from the previous problem. Now as usual, I'll bring all the x terms together. X into 1 plus log y equal to y. I'm taking x that side. So what is x is equal to? Y by 1 plus log y. What is the difference? In the previous problem, I got y equal to x by 1 plus log x. Here I got x is equal to y by 1 plus log y. So what I will do is, I will say differentiate both sides with respect to y. I'll differentiate both sides with respect to y. So what is differentiation of x? It will not be 1, but it will be dx by dy, because I am differentiating with respect to y. Now I am going to use quotient rule. What is quotient rule? 1 plus log y the whole square. Numerator will be 1 plus log y. So what is differentiation of y? Here differentiation of y will not be dy by dx, but it will be 1, because I am not differentiating with respect to x, but I am differentiating with respect to y. Minus y into, what is the differentiation of 1 plus log y? 1 differentiation is 0, log y is 1 by y. Now if you further simplify this, I get dx by dy equal to 1 plus log y minus 1 divided by 1 plus log y the whole square. So clearly 1 and 1 cancels. Now I want to find dy by dx. So just take reciprocal. Dy by dx will be 1 plus log y the whole square divided by log y. Pretty straightforward, simple question. Exactly like the previous problem. Now look at this. This is again a very important type of question. X power y plus y power x equal to 2. So you cannot take log on both sides because there is a plus sign. You cannot take log on both sides because there is a plus sign. Log m plus n is not log m plus log n. Okay. So what I will do is I will call this as u and the second term as v equal to 2. So what is my u? My u is x power y and v is y power x. Now I go back here. Differentiate with respect to x. So what is differentiation of u? It will be du by dx. What is differentiation of v? dv by dx. What is differentiation of constant? It will be 0. All this as 1. Okay. Now how do I find du by dx? Variable raised to the power of variable. So take log on both sides. It's the same thing again and again. Y log x. Now differentiate. With respect to x, differentiation of log u will be 1 by u du by dx equal to u into, what is differentiation of log x? 1 by x plus log x into, what is differentiation of y? dy by dx. So from this you can find du by dx, which is, if I cross multiply u, but u is nothing but x power y, so I will substitute that. I will skip one step, into y by x plus log x into dy by dx. This can be further simplified like this. I open the bracket, I will get x power y, y by x plus x power y log x into dy by dx, which is nothing but, if you see x power y by x, this is power 1. So it will become x power y minus 1, isn't it? One power will be reduced. Y plus y power x log x dy by dx. This is my du by dx. Okay. So it's very simple, straight question. Okay. Now what is v equal to y power x? Again take log on both sides. When you take log on both sides, what do you get? Log v equal to x log y. Now what is differentiation of log v? Log v will be 1 by v dv by dx equal to u into, differentiation of log y will be 1 by y dy by dx, 1 by y dy by dx plus log y, differentiation of x will be 1. Now what is dv by dx? Now you cross multiply this v, but v is nothing but y power x. So this will be x by y dy by dx plus log y. Okay, straightforward. Now just open the bracket. If you open the bracket, I get y power x minus 1, isn't it? Just like this. Y power x by y will become y power x minus 1, x into dy by dx plus, again multiply, y power x into log y. So this is my dv by dx. Now substitute du by dx and dv by dx in 1. So what will happen to 1? So 1 becomes, my du by dx will be x power y minus 1 y plus y power x log x into dy by dx plus What is my dy by dx? Y power x minus 1 x dy by dx plus y power x log y equal to 0. Now you can see clearly your dy by dx is common, so I will take it out. Dy by dx is common. So if you take dy by dx is common, what do you get? Y power x into log x plus y power x minus 1 into x. I'm just grouping these two. You see, y power x log x plus y power x minus 1 into x. And these are the terms without dy by dx. So I take it to the other side. Both are plus. If you take it to the other side, it becomes minus, where I can plug out the minus sign. So it will become y power x log y. And this will be x power y minus 1 y. Right? Now what is your dy by dx? So your dy by dx will become, it's a little lengthy, that's it, minus of y power x log y plus x power y minus 1 into y divided by, write this one, y power x into log x plus y power x minus 1 into x. Okay, I hope I have not made any mistake. X power y is y power x. Okay, everything. I think I made a mistake here. Okay, x power y. So this should have been x power y. So this will become x power y. We can make out easily because this is y power x. This also cannot be y power x. Very simple. So when you make mistake, you should know how to identify it. So that's very simple. Now the next problem is a little bit more difficult, a little lengthy also. Here it is x power y plus y power x, and then you have to find x plus y power x plus y. Okay. So what I will do, I call this as u, and this is v, and this is my w. So what is my du? This is du by dx plus dv by dx equal to dw by dx. All this as 1. Now what I will do, I take my du by dx from here. Okay, this is my du by dx. I am not going to repeat, you can always go through it. So this is my du by dx. Okay, I also take my dv by dx from here. What is that? Where is my dv by dx? My dv by dx is here. Okay, I copied it. So I have my du by dx and I have my dv by dx ready. Now I need to find my dw by dx. Let's see how to go about it. So what is my w? My w will be x plus y whole power x plus y. So it is variable raised to the power of variable, so I have to differentiate. So what is log w? Log w equal to x plus y log of x plus y n log a. Now I am going to differentiate 1 by w dw by dx is equal to u. This is my u, product rule, u into, now I have to differentiate log. What is differentiation of log? 1 by x plus y into chain rule. Differentiation of x is 1 and differentiation of y will be dy by dx with the plus sign. Okay, again this is u, this is v. U is x plus y, v differentiation, first I differentiate log, then I differentiate x plus y plus v into, this is my v into, I want to differentiate u, that is x plus y. Differentiation of x is 1 and differentiation of y is dy by dx. Okay, now what do? You find dw by dx. What is dw by dx? W into, what is w? X power x plus y whole power x plus y into, this can be cancelled. So I get 1 plus dy by dx, okay, plus, actually there should be a bigger bracket because this is common to both the terms. This is log y, log of x plus y, plus log of x plus y into dy by dx. I open the bracket, okay. So this is done. Now I'm going to take my du by dx, dv by dx, dw by dx and substitute in 1. So it's going to be a very big term. So let's go very slowly. I'll just change the color slightly so that we can notice it. Du by dx will be x power y minus 1 y plus x power y log x into dy by dx plus dv by dx is what? Y power x minus 1 x into dy by dx plus y power x log y plus, now open the bracket. You can just open the bracket. I'm multiplying this with this, so I get x plus y power x plus y. Why? Because this into 1 is the same thing, plus x power x plus y power x plus y into dy by dx. I multiply this with this term. Now I multiply this with this. So what is that? X plus y power x plus y log of x plus y plus, again multiply this, x plus y power x plus y log of x plus y into dy by dx. Okay, actually I made a mistake. I should not have written plus, it should have been equal to. So the sign will be equal to. Okay, now group all dy by dx together. So this is my dy by dx, this is my dy by dx, this is my dy by dx, this is my dy by dx. So I group all the dy by dx together. What will I get? Inside I get x power y log x plus y power x minus 1 x plus x plus y power x plus y, then plus x plus y power x plus y log of x plus y. So I have collected all my dy by dx together. In fact, it should have been minus y, because I'm taking these dy by dx to the other side, to the left side. Since this I'm taking to the other side, it becomes minus, this also minus, which I have incorporated here. Now write this x plus y power x plus y. It's too much to write. Log of x plus y plus, what's the other term without, yeah, it is here, x plus y power x plus y minus, I'm going to take this term that side, x power y minus 1 y, correct, and then plus y power x log y. Okay, now I want to find dy by dx. What you'll do, this term divided by this. I think that you can write, because otherwise I have to write again. It will be, there's no place also. So dy by dx, or I can just show you, just lift it up. I have a shortcut. Instead of writing, okay. So your dy by dx will be this. Okay. So you can understand that if I put by. Okay. So dy by dx will be this by this. Okay. That you can figure it out. Let's go to this problem. This is also a very, very important type of question. Let's see how to do it. Now you have y, I'm sorry. It is not going. Okay. Something is wrong. Let's see. I think I should be able to figure it out. Okay. Y equal to, this is a power x plus e power x plus x power x plus x power a. Now I want to find dy by dx. You know a power x differentiation is a power x log a, direct. You know e power x is e power x. You know, you don't know this, okay? So I will call it as du by dx. And x power a, variable raised to the power of constant, a x power a minus 1. So all that I need to do is figure out what is my differentiation of x power x, which we have already done. I'll repeat again. Yu is x power x. That you take separately. Take log on both sides. What is log u equal to? X log x. What is differentiation of log u? 1 by u du by dx equal to x into 1 by x, product rule, plus log x. Therefore, what is du by dx? Du by dx will be x power x into 1 plus log x. How did I get that? Cross multiply u is nothing but x power x. Now substitute back. So dy by dx will be a power x log a plus e power x plus x power x into 1 plus log x plus a x power a minus 1. Straight, very simple question. Be careful only about this x power x because this is variable raised to the power of variable. This is constant raised to the power of variable exponential function. Variable raised to the power of constant, you can use nx power n minus 1. I think that's simple. Very nice sum. Listen to this carefully. This is given to you. You have to prove this. Okay, let's see how to do it. It's a slightly difficult question. That's all. Now what do you do? Take log on both sides. You get log of cos x by 2 plus log of cos x by 4 plus log of cos x by 8 and so on. I'm using log m is log m plus log n. Now what is log m by n? Log m minus log n. Simple. Now what do? Differentiate with respect to x. How do I differentiate log cos x by 2? Chain rule. First you differentiate log 1 by cos x by 2. Then you differentiate cos minus sin x by 2. Then you differentiate x by 2. That is 1 by 2. Same thing. First you differentiate log 1 by cos x by 4. Differentiate cos minus sin x by 4. Differentiate x by 4, which is 1 by 4. So on. What is differentiation of log sin x? 1 by sin x. Differentiation of sin x will be cos x minus differentiation of log x is 1 by x. Okay. Now what do? Multiply both sides by minus 1. Multiply both sides by minus 1 to get rid of the minus sign. So what is sin by cos? It will be tan x by 2 into 1 by 2. Okay. Plus, because I multiplied by minus, it will become tan x by 4, 1 by 4. So on. Since I multiply by minus, this will become minus cot x. Minus of minus becomes plus 1 by x. Is it clear? I multiply both sides by minus. So this will become minus, this will become plus. So the best part is, again, you have to differentiate yet again. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. What happens? Half is a constant. What is differentiation of tan? Secant square x by 2. Now x by 2 differentiation is 1 by 2 plus secant square x by 4, differentiation of 1 by 4, x by 4 is 1 by 4, so on up to, what is differentiation of cot? Cot is minus cosecant square, x minus 1 by x square, because differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square, right? Now what is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2? It's 1 by 2 square, secant square x by 2. Now what is 1 by 4 into 1 by 4? 1 by 16. 1 by 16 is nothing but 1 by 2 power 4. So on, and minus into minus is plus, so it is cosecant square x minus 1 by x square. This is what I wanted to prove. So here they don't tell you that you have to differentiate twice, but you have to do it to get to that answer. So this is slightly a higher order question, so take care of it. Next one, very easy to prove. Okay, variable raised to the power of variable. We have done similar questions today. So take log on both sides, you get y log e equal to x log y. Okay, now what do you do? Log e is 1, right? So you get y equal to x log y. Then if you observe carefully, you can write x in terms of y. How? Y by log y. So differentiate both sides with respect to what? You do with respect to y. You get to the answer directly. If you do with respect to x, it gets a little complicated. Now what is differentiation of x? Dx by dy. Now here I am going to use quotient rule. Log y the whole square. Log y. What is the differentiation of y? It's 1, because quotient rule, differentiating with respect to y, minus y into, what is the differentiation of log y? 1 by y. So you have got dx by dy equal to log y minus 1 by log y the whole square. Now taking reciprocal, you get dy by dx is equal to log y the whole square divided by log y minus 1. It's a simple question. Okay, x minus y into e power x by x minus y equal to a. Take log on both sides, or first you can just simplify this. Y equal to a by x minus y. Now you take log on both sides, you get x, what, x by x minus y log e equal to log m minus log n. So now you differentiate, quotient rule, this is x minus y the whole square. You will get x minus y, differentiation of x is 1, minus x into 1 minus dy by dx. Please understand, log e is 1, I am not mentioning that, I am skipping that step. I just use quotient rule, x minus y the whole square, x minus y, differentiation of x is 1, minus x into differentiation of x is 1, y is dy by dx. Log a differentiation is 0, so minus 1 by x minus y into 1 minus dy by dx. Simple. They can cancel. X cannot be y, then otherwise it becomes e power infinity. So now this is x minus y minus x plus x dy by dx. I just open the bracket, okay? X minus y minus x plus x into dy by dx is equal to minus of x minus y into 1 minus dy by dx. Now they get cancelled. So you get minus y plus x into dy by dx equal to, open the bracket, you get minus of x minus y, minus into minus is plus, plus x minus y into dy by dx. Now you can take this to this side and take this term to the other side. So I get minus y plus x minus y equal to, dy by dx is common. What will I get? X minus y minus x. This can be cancelled. So this will become minus 2y plus x equal to minus y into dy by dx. So multiply throughout by minus sign, you get y into dy by dx equal to minus x plus 2y. So you can bring the y to one side. I'm bringing this x this side, so it will be plus x equal to 2y. So this is the answer. So I think the question y is missing. Okay. So very simple. Now we have done so many questions where variable is raised to the power of variable. In the introduction of logarithmic differentiation, I have also told you, you can take log on both sides when you have multiples of function. You see here, you have multiples of function. You in fact can use quotient rule and product rule here, which becomes very difficult. But by taking log, it becomes simple. How? We'll see it. Now take y equal to root x. This is x plus 4 to the power of 3 by 2 divided by 4x minus 3 whole power 4 by 3. Take log on both sides. So you get log y equal to, what is log of root x? Half log x plus 3 by 2 log x plus 4 minus 4 by 3 log 4x minus 3. Log m by n minus sign, log mn is plus. What is the difference of log y? 1 by y dy by dx equal to 1 by 2. What is the difference of log x? 1 by x. 3 by 2 into what is the difference of log x plus 4? 1 by x plus 4 minus 4 by 3. Differentiation of log will be 1 by 4x minus 3. Differentiation of 4x minus 3 is 4. So now you can write the final answer. Dy by dx is equal to y into 1 by 2x plus 3 by 2 into x plus 4 minus 16 by 3 into 4x minus 3. You can leave it here or I can substitute the value of y. Okay. Very simple. Now let's do the last problem. Again, this is multiples of functions. So what I should do, I will take log y. First we call it as y equal to log y equal to half of log tan x log of tan 2x plus log of tan 3x plus log of tan 4x. Now differentiate. Okay, now differentiation of log y will be 1 by y dy by dx equal to half into 1 by tan x into secant square x plus 1 by tan 2x into secant square 2x into 2 plus 1 by tan 3x into secant square 3x into 3 plus 1 by tan 4x into secant square 4x into 4. Very simple chain rule. So dy by dx will be what? It will be y by 2 into secant square x by tan x plus 2 secant square 2x by tan 2x plus 3 secant square 3x by tan 3x plus 4 secant square 4x by tan 4x. If you want, you can substitute back for y. Okay. With that, I have completed logarithmic differentiation. Next class, we will do differentiation of higher order derivative. I hope these problems are clear to you. I have taken questions from NCERT as well as from Cbse both papers. Okay, if you have any doubt, do not hesitate to put your doubt in the comment section. I will definitely get back to you. Kindly subscribe to my channel and also click the bell icon to get the notifications of videos that I post. I hope these videos are useful. Keep working hard. Have a lovely day. See you again in the next class. Bye-bye.